Hello my friends, welcome to Trading BKS. So today is 3rd of March 2022. Today is this one is a morning session. So before we start, I want to thank everybody for your kind wishes on my daughter quick recovery and all your comment and all your support. Okay, to me, to the channel, and to my family, especially to my daughter. So I really want to thank everybody. And okay, on the condition of my daughter today, she's getting much better than yesterday. Yesterday, she in the morning, right, when we first discovered she was sick, right, she can't drink. Okay, she also can't eat. You know, she vomit. But now after taking the medicine from the doctor, now today she's okay. She's managed to walk about. You know, starting to talk. You know, yesterday morning she was just lying. You know, lying on the bed. You know, no energy at all. Okay, very no energy at all, because you know children, they are very active, right? So no energy at all, just lying on the bed. You know, when we go out also, she just sit there in the car. She doesn't want to move. Today she's okay. Okay, she in the room. Of course, we isolate her in the room, right? So she's walking about. You know, once a while also she could play some of her toy, all those things. Okay, so looks better. Okay, we are still waiting for the PCR test. So thanks for your wishes and okay, on your caring. Thanks for your care and your wishes. Okay, let's go into the market. Before we start, don't forget subscribe, like, share and comment. Subscribe, like, share and comment. Okay, so first, want to open CGS-CIMB account, don't forget, okay, you can find the link in the description below, or you can get it, okay, on my website Trading BKS, or you can get it in my Facebook. And my Facebook is Trading BKS. Okay, if I got any ad hoc things also, I will post there. Trading BKS. This morning I also got post something. Want to buy me coffee, go to coffee.com Trading BKS. Okay, coffee.com Trading BKS. Okay, let's check out a quick introduction. Oops, happened. Okay, don't understand why the normal app for playing the video doesn't work. Use another app. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Okay, let's check out the market. So today I got post some stuff here this morning. Where is it? Refresh a bit. So this morning, oil price fly, aluminium future also fly. Okay, so these are the two flyers in the morning when I check out the global. First, take a quick look KLCI. Okay, KLCI, the KLCI is scary. Very scary. We got dodgy yesterday, we got dodgy today. So indecisive market is indecisive. Not all the big investors, some are still buying, some are still selling. So some institutions are still selling, buying. So probably today, right, looks like the both are almost like equal strength. Buyers, losers, buyers and sellers are almost equal. So still 50-50. Look at this, right? 50-50. Okay, but we have to wait. But we have to wait. After such a big move, it's still a bit dangerous to buy. Go in big. Because this could drop. Okay, look at the energy, right? It's a bit lethargic. The market or the KLCI. Okay, so you have to be careful. Unless today it can big push up above 1613, then maybe market is going to go up again. Okay, let's check out the sentiment today. Okay, gainers 366, losers 447, quite equal, that's why. But losers is still higher, sentiment 45, not very good. Volume 1.5, okay, 9.6 point up, 0.61, because the open high today, open high, 1607. Okay, so what happened? The market, okay, open straight away, the open high, okay, yes, a lot of buyers in the early morning already put in their this pre-open, right? Pre-open already buy in, so big spike during open. Then after that, starting to sell down. After sell down, almost 10 o'clock, institution come in, still got support a lot. Still got support some, not a lot. Because it didn't go up higher, it just goes back to the previous high. Okay, so then also drop a bit. Okay, so not very strong momentum, not very strong. Okay, consumer 0.0 didn't move. Industry still up, quite strong. Industrial 0.86 up. Construction drop 0.4. Technology down 1.31. Technology have to decide already. Okay, judgment day. Finance 0.42 up. Property 0.33 up. Plantation 1.51 up. LED 0.06 up. And energy sure up Plantation also sure up Healthcare 0.39 drop. Telecommunication 0.08 drop up. Transportation 0.48 up. Utilities 0.17 up. So look at plantation. So plantation still fly, still hold. Plantation stock still hold. The sector chart is still flying. Technology judgment day. Okay, looks like technology today looks like dropping through 74 already. 889. Okay, so looks like it's going to drop some more. Okay, so it's up to you guys how you want to deal with this. Okay, most likely I'm not saying guarantee. Okay, if I say tomorrow it will drop, I say sure it will drop. Then tomorrow maybe sudden announcement from the US or sudden announcement from US saying what they are going to support the stock market or whichever, right? I mean, they're not going to say that they're going to support the stock market, but they will give out some kind of sentiment, some kind of news come out, suddenly pop. They will support the technology to rebound. They don't want their stock market to be going down. All these kind of things happen. So this one might turn around, but you have to, okay. But judging at the current situation here, right? We have to see tonight what happened. See tonight, because tonight more important. Tonight we're going to see US stock. We're going to look at US, all those things more important. But you have to decide, starting to prepare to decide whether you still want to keep or not. Okay, so look at the top gainers. Okay, expected KLK plantation, all the plantation. I don't want to continue to cover the plantation every day. Just hold until it drop. Okay, today airport go back up. Airport, okay, airport go back up. Got volume. Petronas Chemical got volume. Talk about this one. MISC also got some volume. Take a look MISC. Nothing much today. PMETAL, okay, take a look. This one don't want to talk This one, all the plantation just hold until it drop Maybank's got some volume. Maybank, take a look. Genting, okay, got some volume. LHB got some volume. TexChem, take a look, got some volume. Maxis, nothing much to talk about. MSC, let me take a quick pick of MSC. See how is the stock. Whether got a chart. Plantation stock just hold plantation just hold Okay, so today morning I want to talk about airport, MISC, PCHEM, TexChem, PMETAL, LHB, Maybank. Okay, take a quick look. Airport starting to rebound. Airport is our recovery stock. Okay, it's our recovery stock. Okay, so we buy one time over here, we buy second time over here. Now it came back to our second support, a second resistance here. So it already broke through. Now it act as support. Now the price is slowly going up lah. So this one continue to hold. We want to go through, at least come back to here lah. CIMB 6.96 somewhere around 6.96 Okay, so if it goes up again 6.7, we want to take half first. So the strategy I discuss the strategy again so this time we don't miss it. We don't miss it Okay. So what I plan to do is, if we come back to here, because here got a lot of resistance. This is a channel, right? This is a channel. Okay, support, broken, become resistant. Now the price come back to test again, cannot go through, being pushed down. Okay, so the resistance is a wall that it cannot go through. So if it comes back again, right, you're going to hit the resistance again. So what happened? We don't know. So when it come back to hit the resistance again here, we want to take half profit first. If it drop, okay, we hold until maybe, okay, if the price really come back to our buying price, we're going to out first, because it might drop some more. Okay, if it's still holding around here, okay, then going up again, then we still got 50%, right? Half the stock we already take half the profit. We already got profit. Some more we can add to our profit. Or if it goes through, right, we can add some more. Means our money already taken out, profit, right? We add in again. Okay, so we can get more profit lah. So this is how I would play it MISC. I'm not saying this is the best way to do it, best way to top up, best way to add. There are other people, there are other ways to do it. That this is how I do it. Okay, I just discuss how I do it. I'm not saying my plan is the best plan in the world. So I'm not saying that this is the best plan. Okay, everybody must follow, but this is normally how I do it. MISC. Oh, MISC slowly, silently, slowly going up. The report is doing well. The report is doing well, getting better. Okay, and okay, dividend also up. Looks like market want to support. Okay, MISC, I think probably can take some, but MISC is very heavy that the stock you have to wait long time. I have to talk faster. The morning session is supposed to be short. Okay, this one maybe can pick some. Stop loss is here, 0.717. I draw double line. Wait, let me see, where should I put the stop loss? Maybe here. 7.065. This one potential. This one potential. This one, I think this one MISC coming back, but will be very slow Don't expect it to like PMETAL fly. You don't expect that. Okay, but I think this one potential. PCHEM. Okay, PCHEM already hit target, MBB target Okay, and it go a bit extended. Maybe right. When we see very big red candle, take half profit first take half profit. See what happen. If it comes back down, maybe take all profit. If it continue go, take the other half CIMB give 11 possible, still can go You continue to hold and wait and see. When you see very big red candle like this, right? Big red candle, you see red candle bigger than green candle already, right? Okay, so we have to be careful So now still okay. PCHEM still want to go. TexCHEM. All the chemical are doing very well This is not TexCHEM, is chemical, right? textile chemical, industry chemical and textile chemical. Yeah, they are still chemical. So, okay. So TexCHEM going to top channel already. Okay. So take profit, probably your next profit target, take profit target will be here. Around here, 1.655. Okay. So TexCHEM very good. PMETAL. PMETAL still going up. Today metal flying. The metal future. Wow, flying like crazy. I mean the aluminium future. So PMETAL continue to fly lah. So PMETAL looks like this one Hong Leong Bank, Bloomberg got chance continue to hold RSB and Maybank. Okay, RSB, you see, you shall not pass, right? Still cannot pass. You shall not pass. So still cannot pass. Okay, so wait and see. Okay, hopefully it can go through. Maybank. Okay, Maybank, right? You see big red candle, want to take half profit or take profit or take half profit out first. Or when it comes down, rebound, maybe we're gonna add again, so we can make one profit here, one time, two time, a few more profit So when it comes down here, if it rebound again, then maybe I'm gonna add again take this profit, already earn, maybe put it back so I get more window, more profit ratio, higher profit ratio. Okay, so okay, Maybank still okay, continue to hold. Okay, so that's it for in the morning session. So thank you for all your good wishes. See you again in the evening. Bye bye.